I'm going to be sharing my recipe for my current favorite anti-inflammatory beauty tea. And yes, it is a spin on ancient India's golden milk, but I've really made it my own by adding a few bits that not only add to our nutrition, but also add to our beauty. Because if you're not new here, then you know how much I believe in eating and drinking your skincare and your wellness. Hi guys, my name is Etoro, aka I See You Glam, and I am your source for all things beauty, wellness, and vibes. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, hit the thumbs up, and let me know if you're loving the video. Leave a comment, let's interact, and without further ado, let's get to the recipe. I personally love having this tea in the evenings when I just want to relax and unwind. Like, I've had a long day, I just need an extra boost to kind of help me relax, take the edge off. The chamomile tea that I add really allows the body and your nervous system to just relax. I promise you guys, the recipe is not that intimidating. Once you have all the ingredients, you're really set to go. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I use. Come. These are the goods you're going to need. Now let me preface this by saying that I am a spice girly. I like my teas, especially like chais, karak, masala. I like all of that to be real spicy and warm. So my recipe, my measurements are going to be more to my liking and my personal taste. Of course, feel free to adjust as you like. But this is the base of what we're gonna need. So we've got some star anise here. I've got some turmeric. This is fresh turmeric that I get from my halal market alongside this cardamom. Love the two of them. I don't get them anywhere else. I've got hidden in here some jujubes. Let me show you guys. Some jujubes, these are Chinese red dates. You can get this from your local Asian supermarket. I've also got my ginger. Again, I like it spicy, so I use quite a bit. I'll probably just use the portion here that I have peeled. I've got some bourbon vanilla bean paste that I get from Trader Joe's just to add a little vanilla flavor and a hint of sweetness. This is totally optional because I do use a sweetener, teeny bit of agave. You can use your sweetener of choice, of course, if you like maple syrup, real sugar, raw sugar, brown sugar, whatever you like. Black pepper is a necessity because you need this to activate the turmeric. Cinnamon, I use 2 types of cinnamon because again, your girl loves some spice. I use cinnamon sticks and I use ground cinnamon. And then I use what I've never seen anyone else use, especially because it is a nighttime version of my anti-inflammatory tea. I use the honey vanilla chamomile tea from Celestial Seasonings. This is a personal preference and of course optional, especially depending on the time of day. If I were making this tea in the mornings, like before I was going to work or something, I would probably skip the chamomile tea. Everything else I'll do. This, because the chamomile is going to give you those sleepy properties, up to you, but I also just like the flavor it adds. Like, everything is just so good. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get to some cooking. So to my saucepan over very low heat, I've added just my hazelnut milk. The key here is we want very low heat, all right? You don't want anything to boil. You just want small bubbles to appear. I've added my tea bag and then I'm gonna start adding my spices. In goes my cinnamon stick, 2 jujubes, my star anise, my cardamom pods. Like, look how pretty it already looks, guys. My ginger, that's my fresh ginger. I add a lot. Again, remember, do as you see fit. For my powder spices, I eyeball it really, but I'll put my measurements down below. I believe it's like just about a teaspoon I put in here. I'll probably do like a teaspoon and a half. I've been drinking this for a while, so I have a good tolerance for the turmeric. I actually do enjoy how it tastes. Black pepper to activate that turmeric, and spicy girls like spices, so I add a little bit more than usual, but that is fresh cinnamon powder. And then I'll go in with a dollop of the bourbon vanilla bean paste. I use my spoon and stir everything together and just let this come to a really light boil. Not even a boil, a light rumble. Like, you just want to see bubbles forming at the edge because you don't want your herbs to boil out and lose all that nutrient power. Just as my tea is about to boil, I take a little bit of my agave and teeny bit, and I just dash that in there and I give it one last spoon before I take it off of the heat. I don't know if you guys can see, but right at the edges, those bubbles are gonna start forming. I want this to come to a warming as slow as possible. Like, I want to keep all the nutrients I can, but look at that beautiful golden color. my spices, my jujubes, and I will eat those jujubes. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay, in goes my tea. And I put the tea bag in there too. I put everything in there, like literally, hello, everything. There we go. That is the finished product. If you follow me on TikTok, then you already know that the jujubes are part of my morning ritual. The rest of the herbs and obviously the tea bag, I'll just let them do their thing until I finish my tea. But this is going to be the perfect nighttime drink for me. Let's take the first sip together and see how I did. Perfection. This is how I unwind and really prepare myself to have the best night's sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. If you're interested in short form content, definitely be sure to follow me over on TikTok because I post bits like this almost every single day. If you want a glimpse into my wellness world, definitely a good place to start. But I love you guys. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.